Ocean's Pharmacy: How Seaweeds Can Boost Your Health. Have you ever gazed upon the vastness of the ocean and pondered its mysteries? What if I told you that beneath its shimmering surface lies a treasure trove of health benefits? That's right, I'm talking about seaweeds. These aquatic plants, often overlooked by beachgoers, are more than just oceanic decorations. They're potential superfoods. Why have cultures from Japan to Ireland revered these marine vegetables for centuries? Why are health enthusiasts and culinary experts alike suddenly flocking to them? Dive in with us as we embark on a journey beneath the waves, exploring the wonders of seaweeds. Before we plunge deeper, here's a tidal wave of a reason to like, share, and subscribe to Very Okay. We're your gateway to uncovering nature's best-kept secrets, ones that could transform your lifestyle. So, become a part of our oceanic exploration brigade, won't you? As we sail through this vast blue, it's impossible not to be struck by the sheer diversity of seaweeds. From the robust kelps to the delicate red dulse, each variety brings a unique set of benefits to the table. But what are they? What makes seaweeds a staple in diets and traditional medicines across different cultures? Top 5 benefits of seaweeds. Number 5. Rich in nutrients, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, seaweeds are a nutrient-dense addition to any diet. Number 4. Natural detox agents. Their ability to bind to toxins and heavy metals helps in flushing them out of the body. Number 3. Weight management. Some studies suggest that seaweed can regulate hormones responsible for hunger, aiding in weight control. Number 2. Heart health. The fibers in seaweed can help in reducing bad cholesterol levels, promoting a healthy heart. Number 1. Skin elixir. Seaweed baths have been a secret to youthful and radiant skin for centuries. So, was sushi onto something more than just taste? Absolutely. The world is starting to realize that seaweeds are not just for the fish, they're for all of us looking to enhance our health and vitality. Now, to answer those burning questions, cultures around the world have tapped into seaweed's powerhouse of nutrients, using them as dietary staples, healing agents, and even beauty treatments. From sushi rolls in Japan to the seaweed baths of Ireland, the world has a shared history of harnessing the ocean's pharmacy. As the tide of this video ebbs, remember, the ocean's gifts are plentiful and profound. Dive into a diet that includes seaweeds, and let the waves of wellness wash over you. The world beneath, a universe of seaweed diversity. While many people are familiar with the nori wrapped around sushi or the kelp used in soups, did you know there are over 10,000 known species of seaweed? They flourish from chilly Arctic waters to the tropical coasts of the equator. But what exactly defines a seaweed? How are they different from other plants we know? Seaweeds, or marine macroalgae, are not true plants. They lack the complex structure and root systems of terrestrial plants. Instead, they have holdfasts that anchor them to rocks and other substrates. Colorful categories, beyond just green. Seaweeds are broadly classified into 3 categories based on their pigments. Green seaweeds, chlorophyta like ulva or sea lettuce, often found in tidal pools. Brown seaweeds, phaeophyta such as kelp and wakame. They dominate colder waters. Red seaweeds, rhodophyta including dulse and Irish moss. Surprisingly, they can be found at the greatest depths among seaweeds. Seaweeds in ancient cultures, more than just food. Historical records from ancient China, Greece, and even coastal indigenous tribes suggest seaweeds were highly valued. Not only as a food source but also for medicinal and ceremonial purposes. Fact: in ancient Ireland, seaweeds were used to treat respiratory issues. While in Polynesia, they had ceremonial roles, signifying abundance and fertility. The global economy: seaweed beyond the dinner plate. Seaweeds are a multi-billion-dollar industry today. Beyond food, they're used in cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and even as biofuel. Ever heard of carrageenan? It's an extract from red seaweeds, frequently used as a thickener in ice creams, toothpaste, and a variety of other products. Foraging seaweeds, a rising trend. With the rise of organic and wild foods, many coastal dwellers and chefs are turning to forage seaweeds directly from the shore. But it's essential to know which are edible and which aren't. Fact: always consult local guidelines or experts when foraging. Some seaweeds can absorb toxins from polluted waters, making them unsafe to eat. Sustainable sea farming, seaweeds to the rescue. With global concerns about overfishing and the health of our oceans, seaweed farming has been recognized as a sustainable alternative. It requires no fresh water, fertilizers, or pesticides. Can seaweeds help combat climate change? Yes. Seaweeds absorb large amounts of CO2, potentially helping to deacidify our oceans. Here are some simple, fast, and easy seaweed recipes to boost health. 1. Seaweed salad. Ingredients: 1 cup dried wakame seaweed, 3 tablespoons rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon honey or agave nectar, 1 teaspoon fresh grated ginger, 1 clove garlic minced, 2 green onions thinly sliced, sesame seeds for garnish. Instructions: soak wakame seaweed in cold water for 5 to 10 minutes until rehydrated. Drain and chop into bite-sized pieces. In a bowl, whisk together rice vinegar, soy sauce, sesame oil, honey, ginger, and garlic. Toss seaweed and green onions in the dressing. Garnish with sesame seeds and serve chilled. 2. Nori wrapped avocado snack. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado sliced, 2 sheets of nori seaweed, a pinch of sea salt, a sprinkle of sesame seeds. Instructions: place avocado slices at one end of a nori sheet. Sprinkle with sea salt and sesame seeds. Roll the nori sheet tightly around the avocado. Slice into bite-sized pieces and enjoy immediately. 3. Seaweed soup. Ingredients: 1 cup dried kelp seaweed, 4 cups water, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 1 green onion sliced, tofu cubes optional. Instructions: soak kelp in water for 20 minutes. After soaking, cut into bite-sized pieces. In a pot, add kelp and water, bringing it to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer for 15 minutes. Add garlic, soy sauce, and tofu if using. Cook for an additional 5 minutes. Before serving, drizzle with sesame oil and garnish with green onions. 4. Seaweed rice balls. Ingredients: 2 cups cooked sushi rice still warm, 4 sheets of nori seaweed, a pinch of sea salt. Fillings: pickled plum, tuna salad, or any preferred filling. Instructions: wet your hands to prevent the rice from sticking. Sprinkle hands with a bit of sea salt. Grab a handful of warm rice and create a dent in the center for your filling. Place the chosen filling in the dent, then mold the rice around the filling to form a triangle or ball. Wrap the rice ball with a sheet of nori and enjoy. Remember, seaweeds come in various types, each with its unique texture and flavor. Feel free to experiment and find your favorite combinations. And for those anchored by curiosity and a desire to learn more, stay tuned to Very Okay. Dive deep with us again as we continue to unravel nature's marvels. Until then, may your days be as vast and mysterious as the ocean itself. Thanks for watching. Very Okay.